Hey guys, we're still in America, and today we are gonna probably go camping, but we have some other things. I believe I have someone coming to drop off that camper because of what I did. I kind of like posted it a bit online inside, and they were like, alright, I'll come drop it off before. And this house will eventually be gone, not in today, but love this thing and this thing. Oh yeah, here's my trailer. I also got the ATV back from it being fixed and all. It's in there, nice and working again, like it can work. And I believe the person who is coming had that funky truck in one of the episodes. Yeah, here's the ATV. It's just sat in there. And all. Got my nice luscious car. I would have taken it with me, but what's the point? Because I got the ATV for that. I've been planning on maybe getting rid of the ATV and swapping it for a Jeep, but the ATV is pretty good, so I might not. If I was going to, I wouldn't get rid of that. I would have got rid of this. I would have got rid of you, swapped it out for a Jeep or something else. Then I could have placed it on the back of that, taken it. I've been planning on buying a boat. That's why I've been planning on getting a bigger house. Because the bigger house I have, the more room I have. There's a massive house down there, but it's not really the house I'm looking at. Oh, okay. There's the funky truck guy. There he is. It's got a pretty nice truck as well. Look at that. Slowly parking it. Yeah, he's got the back one I did. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. I'll get that fixed for you. That's it. Okay. And you rehooked your. It kind of. He's moving it. Ah, fair play. There you go. A nice fart. Oh, you're about to pick up your trailer again. Oh, nice. Alright, he's gone. Making sure I have everything locked before I go camping, just in case, you know. My poor. But we're about to head camping. This truck, I don't believe it can even hold the weight. What? So, off we go to camping. Oh, and he's still there. I'll get his trailer worked on soon. And now we're zooming off to the campsite. There's one down all the way down there, but I was like, what's the point of that when that one, it doesn't have the best reviews. So I was going to be like, may as well go to a further away one, but it's a lot better. I would go fuel, but I already fueled this thing ages ago and I barely drove it. So, we're kind of Gucci. Trying to make sure I don't spin out because of all the weight on the back. Or you need to get a dually or something else. Oh, there's that. Yeah, the campsite actually is near him. Come on. Off to the campsite. It's down here still. I forgot how far it is. That's the drag strip. Here's a gas station. I believe it's down here, if I'm correct. Ah, okay. I guess I was wrong. can find one maybe. We can just come up with one. That could be dumb though. Who knows? Oh, I'm really dumb in directions. Where am I going? I'm lost. That's not good. Completely forgot what the campsite is. That's great. Don't want to go to that one. Trying to remember where it is. I don't know if it's on the other side. It means I've got to re-drive. Okay. Let's get back to driving, I guess. Alright, we're still on the road. Making our way. Trying to find out where this campsite is. First of all. Well. Yeah, because that's a drag strip. Come on, let's find it. Okay. Don't believe that's it, because there's no sign. Normally there's a sign to where the campsite is. I believe it's straight down. I believe I went the wrong way, because I know there's one down there. But I wasn't the one I was going to go to. Because I don't know if they closed it yet. Well, they might. Or not, might not have. Yeah, it's down here. Yeah, it says the sign. Come on, I'll go to this spot. Nice, and we're here. So let's get my AT. Oh, that's fine. Oh, damn it! I suddenly reopened it. Well, let's lower it. Let's get the ATV out. Ooh. Probably take this thing out for a spin soon. Nice. Then let's close it, just because it was on the road. You know. Go back up. And now let's start getting everything out. At the top. The lights. Yeah, it's kind of small. The other one would have been better. But I do have another camper, and it's been in the middle of being worked on. I believe I do. I don't know if no, I didn't buy it. I don't know. I actually forgot. That's really dumb. Me forgetting if I bought a camper. Another camper. I believe someone said they were going to hook me up with a good one, but this place is quite cozy. So, let's go sleep, and we'll wake up in the morning. What a good sleep. Alright. Sun is shining. ATV and truck is still out. Let's take the ATV on a ride. Whew. This thing finally fully works, so I can kind of... don't know what I'm doing. Really want a boat, but they're really expensive. Thank you, this thing has a roll cage. Thank you, I have enough horsepower just to spin it. Oh yeah. Oh, we're zooming. Oh. Yeah, why am I doing that? I'm gonna have to like go get it fixed soon. From everything I'm doing to it. It's mad. This is insane. Oh my god, it's so bumpy. That's mad. I would go across here, but that's an entire river. So, not too good. It'll be quite fun. It's very bright. See all the clouds coming. Oh. Okay, well that's raining. Thank God I have a roof on this. I'm fine. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's a tornado. Tornado, tornado, tornado. But I'm camping. Gonna drive away from the tornado. Actually, let's go. Let's go towards it. It's quite dumb, but I want to see it. But I don't want to be sucked into it. Look at this tornado. That thing is quite big. I want to know where it's going. But I also feel like I just lost it. I lost it. Oh no, it's right there. Ooh, okay. Wait. Okay. Where is it going? I'm gonna go back to where my camper is. Just in case. Where's the tornado? Oh, so it's over here. I have no clue why I'm driving into a tornado. I'm not driving into it, I'm driving near it. Enough that I can see it. Huh. That's not too good. Tornado alert, I guess. We should probably drive away from it. We're here for a couple more days, so let's pray it doesn't tornado us. My camper's still over here, thankfully. Nice. Look at that. Perfect parking. Tornado's over there. We're going to go in here, close, turn lights on, and look out this window. Good. We're driving away. Holy, the tornado! Oh my God. Have I just lost my truck and trailer? It's because I turned on the lights. Okay. My truck and trailer is still there. That is straight up worrying. Oh, what did you do, Tornado? Bruv. Okay. We're gonna not get hit by a tornado while my truck got span. Oh my god, I just got hit with a tornado. You better not come back here, tornado. Whew! That was my truck. Okay. Luckily, it was all, like, parked. Oh, what have I done? There. Okay. Nice. Where's the tornado gone? Didn't really want to deal with the tornado. It was very dangerous. It almost took my truck away from me. Almost took my truck and trailer. Luckily, it looks like everything's fine. I'm going to turn off the lights in here so it don't come back near me. Really confusing where this tornado's gone. Quite raining. Maybe tornado's gone. We're gonna put you back up in here because I'm not dealing with another tornado. So let's get you closed. Okay, let's get you in. Okay. Let's close you. Nice. Everything seems okay. Okay. Well, let's get inside, close you, turn you off. Okay. Well, that. Oh, and I've got dirt on my seat. Oh, of course I do. But that, we end the video. Well, that is the end. So, bye-bye.